Hello everyone, my name is Yashasvi Yogesh Vengurlekar, a 10th grader from Shivai Vidyalaya English Medium School, Thane West. My topic name is Impact of COVID-19 Pandemic. The outbreak of novel coronavirus COVID-19 was initially noticed in seafood market in Wuhan city of China in mid-December 2019. Within a month, COVID-19 propagated like a chain with such a wide reach and explosive magnitude that on 30th January 2020, WHO declared COVID-19 a public health emergency of international concern and also a pandemic on 11th March of 2020. As cases outside China were increasing by 13 folds and countries with cases by 3 folds, and further increasing was expected. The first COVID-19 positive case in India was reported in the state of Kerala on 30th January 2020. Due to this COVID-19, many people lost their lives, family members, and even lost a chance to see their family members one last time. This forced government to close their borders, shut down schools and businesses, and restrict people from leaving their homes unless necessary. Being caged up like this have serious negative impact on emotional well-being of people. Also, the healthcare workers were emotionally stressed as they continue to provide care for the patient despite exhaustion, personal risk of infection, fear of transmission, death or illness of friends and colleagues, loss of lives of many people, unprecedented population restriction including personal isolation, working long hours in PPE gear, hard work and absence from family had truly defined their jobs. While sanitation workers were also at the high risk posed by COVID-19 as many of them were ill-equipped, lack of specific guidance with formal information, limited access to personal protective equipment, inadequate hand washing and cleaning facilities. Working during this critical time, the attitude toward this healthcare and sanitation workers was sometimes changed for the worse. Also, the police officers who were the first responder to deal with public were at heightened risk of exposure to COVID-19 and also was a threat to face violence towards them. Now, besides this, education system has suffered a lot due to COVID-19. As educational activity hampered, schools and colleges are closed. Many boards have already cancelled their annual examination and entrance examination across India. Second, access to digital world. Many students with no or limited internet access and couldn't afford computers, laptops and other supporting mobile phones in their home. Online teaching learning method may create a digital gap among the students. The lockdown has hit poor kids a lot as they were unable to explore online learning as per many reports. Online classes as per many reports. And also, this enhanced gap between rich, poor and urban rural. Also with this, we have seen many issues being faced by migrant workers as they depend on daily earning and barely have savings which they could spend during emergencies. This was really hard time for them too, as they did not have many resources left, moved to their villages thousands of miles barefoot with their children, pregnant wives. Can we feel the pain? No, we can't feel the pain because only those will feel it who bear it. It was really a hard time for all of us. We are in this together and we will get through this together.